Pied Pipers! Today I want to stay in the Caribbean Sea with you. Nicely about the rum production. I thought, why not stay in the theme? So tonight I want to show you Salty Dog. We have a very, very beautiful pouch with our two great sailormen, the Salty Dogs. Salty Dog means that stays for sailormen that were for a long time abroad on a sailor ship. That's why the name Salty Dog. Well, we have here a Virginia Perique with rum topping. And the funny thing is that it comes with a cake, and the cake in a pouch is very, very weird, but it makes it even more sympathetic. So this one is one of the higher range price tobaccos. So here in Europe you get this pouch, it's a 50-gram pouch for €12. And let's open it. Let's open it and have a look. So look what's written here. Easy to open and close. Here. So we open it here. That's quite funny. It's sealed, of course. And we have our cake, which looks like a brownie actually. So wrapped up again. Oh, that's a nice, wow. Ma, this is a nice smell. Very, very fruity. Look at this one. Very fruity. You can taste a little bit the rum. This one is nice. Well, I have a little work to do. So while I prepare this one, I will send you up to Briaris, okay? So see you in a little time. Pipers, are you there? I will read you something. Ready? Of all the things I'd like to do, I'd like to smoke my pipe with you. Before we both grow tired and old, don't let the amber get too cold. Each season quickly came and went, and now that we have made it to Advent, at night I can sit in the smoke-filled room and spend some time with Briar Broom. The embers in my pipe on a cold winter night warms my soul from the comfort of the bowl. This friend made out of briar that holds the fire, feed my love for this pipe I desire. Roses are red, violets are purple. I like my tobacco to taste like maple swaple. The charming Briarbroom lady appears on the screen. Her Italian style is beautiful, the best I've ever seen. Her soft voice and her cheerful way leave me spellbound in her beaming sunshine ray. Oh, Briarbroom, what a great time it would be to share a pipe and a tune with the Triple B. A smoke, a toke, and sometimes a joke. A piper, her brachy neigh far from the fire. The smile, a mile lest one left desire. A room, vavaroom, there goes the Briarbroom aficionado. Das Jahr neigt sich zu Ende. Die Tage werden kalt und grau. In den Straßen riecht es nach Mandeln, Glühwein oder Lumumba-Kakao. Es schwebt durch die Luft, Sankt Nikolaus, pass auf und gib nur Acht. Auf dem Besen eine Hexe hat uns Tobak und Pfeifen mitgebracht. I was a lonely dalesman, as lonely as can be, with just my thoughts for company. It is lonely being me. But now I've friends all over, and it's really plain to see, because it's all down to you. Lot from the YTPC. I like them. I like them all. Beautiful. Back again. Good. I'm done. So I've sliced it up in very thin pieces. And these pieces I'm gonna put in my good Simsek. Since we are with pirates, I thought it should fit. So here I will put in this our tobacco. This is actually quite this gives actually quite a nice Christmas feeling because it reminds like hard gingerbread. So just crossed my mind, which probably has nothing to do with it, but it just came to my mind. Well, guess this should be okay. So let's give it a try. Mm. So this one is nice. You can slightly smell, taste the rum. It has a nice draft. It arrives very, very nicely in the mouth. And since the cake keeps the moistness, the tobacco gives you a little bit more of a depth. So it's more, I have the feeling of more deep, the smoke, and I appreciate it much more. It's a little spicy. Sometimes there is some rum arriving, but in a very, very comfortable way. So this is much more of an enjoyable smoke, not to compare with the smoke from yesterday evening. And I guess since this is much more easier for you to get, we can discuss about it. So if you have smoked it, if you will smoke it, if you have it, if you want to open it and smoke it together with me, you're welcome. And I'm very, very curious about what you say. So I leave you. I wish you a beautiful day. See you tomorrow. Oh yeah, this one. See you tomorrow and like.